In my opinion, the Mint Mojito coffee from Philz Coffee is the best coffee ever, so let's make it at home. First, you're going to need fresh mint. I use a ton because I love the taste of fresh mint. Make your espresso shot, and after you pull it, you are going to put it in with some brown sugar. Muddle that together with the mint, and then you are just going to add ice and add milk. From there, you just give it a good stir, and voila, you have a Philz coffee dupe, and it is the best coffee. I hope you enjoy it.